It's time for a GTO update. Things are getting tedious and slowing down. Here's the quarter windows. And I just can't put those back in. So let me show you the wheels and tires on the car. They turn out really awesome. Tell me what you think. We got our rocker molding installed. Tires and rims. And we moved up to some of this tedious stuff. This piece of stainless turned out beautiful. It was sanded down to 2000 and buffed. And then all this channel, I got the other side installed. I'm working on that. Like I said, I want to order the quarter windows when I can. And that brings us to this. There's a cap for this that was aluminum, and the felt attaches to it, the window felt. So it was dinged up and horrible looking, so I started working it, and you can't sand and buff it. There's like a coating on it. So I think this side needs a little more gloss black. We only got it on the rims on the side. So we are going to cap this with the gloss black window molding reveal. Now, I like how plain this is with matte, but they do make the drip edge. And if it's stainless like this, it might really look good. But if it's aluminum and it's a different look, I might leave it the way it is. So here's our molding. Reveal molding. So I cleaned it up, sanded it down, took some dings and dents out of it. Now we're just doing some glazing putty, spot putty. And then I got to get it in some primer and sand it a couple times, get it down to 400, nice and smooth and slick. And there it is, there's the GTO. I got this speed shop signed. My friend worked for Auto Plus, which is the same owner of Pep Boys and them. So they closed down the local store and he got me the sign. So Abby, what do you think? Ross Boys, Team Ross? I want to have a decal made to cover up. I was never impressed with Pep Boys. Alright, that's the GTO update. They say prep is everything. So I spent a lot of time on this trim, sanding it, epoxy prime, spot putty, prime, touch it up, a couple more spots with the spot putty. So tomorrow morning we're gonna do it. We're gonna spray it black, and you know how when you spray gloss black you see everything that you didn't see when it was in primer. Boy, it looks good now, but anyways, hopefully it'll turn out great. See ya. Doing some color sanding. Started with 1200, 1500 to 2000. Here's the orange peel. As good as I could do with it. A little bit of texture. This one's almost ready. Let's see if you can see a little spot. if you see a little shiny spot. Oh, right there. See those couple little specks? I'm going to go after that area. Oh, is it right in here? Uh-oh. I hear some mountain in the background. Mississippi Queen. Alright. Wet sanding. And gonna be buffing soon. See ya. Don't you just love it when you're satisfied with the results and you actually say, wow? Alright, see all the orange peel on this one? And then, this is after we buffed it out. Well, actually, no we's, after I buffed it out. After I sanded and buffed. So that's the difference. Color sand to orange peel. What do you think? Time to get some more parts ordered. The mirrors, a lot more trim. See ya. Let's do an unboxing on the quarter windows. Dynacorn. Ho ho ho. That's kind of exciting. I think that's worth the $400 each. They had them on sale at OPG, but they're on back order. So I got them on eBay, and I'm okay with Dynacorn. Dynacorn is good stuff in my book.